Are you tired of your spray backgrounds not turning out the way that you want? The problem might be simpler than you think. In this video, I will be sharing the top mistakes to avoid when working with sprays and some tips that will instantly improve your results. Let's get into it. Welcome back, creative friends. Now, if you're new here, my name is Tiffany Solorio, and I'm so excited that you're here because today we are going to tackle the biggest mistakes I see people making when working with sprays and how you can avoid them. Let's start with the most common mistake I see, using the wrong paper. Paper is everything. If you're not using the correct paper, you're setting yourself up for frustration right from the start. Now here are my top picks for paper. Mixed media paper from scrapbook.com, Strathmore mixed media paper, and Distress watercolor paper. Using these will help your sprays sit on top of the paper, allowing you to create those beautiful layered backgrounds we all love. I've put together a free PDF with my top 5 favorite papers to use with sprays, and you can grab that by using the link in the description box below. Another huge mistake I see people making is stopping too soon when building up your background. I get it, waiting for layers to dry can be frustrating, but patience is key. Keep adding layers of sprays and water. Make sure to dry in between each one until you're at least 80% happy with what you see. Adding layers is when the magic happens. Another thing to avoid is letting your sprays, or really any supply, collect dust. Remember, you bought them for a reason. Give yourself permission to play without worrying about the final outcome. This will relieve so much stress in the creative process, and you might create something so magical, or at the very least, you'll have fun and learn along the way. Now, if you're using oxide, mica, or spritz sprays, here's a quick tip. Don't forget to shake them up. And you also don't want to forget to hold a paper towel over the nozzle while shaking to avoid any messy accidents. Now you need to shake these up because the oxide sprays have a chalkiness at the bottom, and the mica and spritz sprays need their mica fully mixed in to get the full effect. Don't limit yourself to just spraying. Be sure to get creative. You can paint, splatter, and use stencils with these sprays. And here's a must. Swatch each spray so you can see the true color and how it reacts with water. This will help you make the right choices in your future projects to ensure you get the results you want every single time. And remember, not all sprays are the same. Each one has unique properties. Some are more opaque and others react slightly differently to water. Understanding these differences will help you choose the right spray for the right project. So again, be sure to swatch those sprays out. But I have so much more to share with you about sprays. So if you're ready to take your spray techniques to the next level, check out my upcoming class, Basics and Beyond Distress Spray Techniques. The class has everything you need to know about sprays so you can confidently create with them. Now, if classes aren't your thing, no worries. I have an amazing video right here where I break down the mixed media process into easy, manageable steps so that you can gain the confidence you need to try it for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay creative, my friends.